The laser scan shows a microfracture on this upper joint weld.
Confirmed. The ultrasonic data correlates with a 3% density reduction.
Have increased the flow by 5%. Check the reflection.
It's much smoother now. The gloss is excellent.
Phase 2 levels are spiking. Keep monitoring the thermal regulators.
Stay now. The flash was successful.
Look at the fluctuation on the rear axle sensor.
I see it. It's within the acceptable parameters, but let's keep an eye on it.
Vehicle transfer sequence initiated. Monitor alignment closely. Sequence confirmed. Transfer is stable.
Flow synchronization is holding steady at 98%.
Good. Let's reroute the 3 p.m. convoy to staging area 5. Avoid the crane blockage.
The amber alerts are clearing. Unit 52 is confirmed for outbound.
Synchronized. Moving to the next sequence.
Restraints secure. Wheel locks engaged.
Sensors red-green across the board. Confirmed.
Final check complete.
Final movement authorization for the graphite SUV carrier.
Confirmed. Automated route engaged. Vehicle proceeding.
Acknowledging minor adjustment. Shift left 2 centimeters.
Confirmed. Alignment holding steady.
All metrics are stabilized and within parameters.
Confirmed. Weight and balance verified.
System check complete. All indicators green.
Physical lock secured. Carrier 7 cleared for departure.
Final timestamps logged and verified.
Release confirmed.
Status is nominal. Speed at target.
Confirmed. Next checkpoint in 2 minutes.
I'm seeing a spike in the energy signature here.
It's within acceptable limits. The scan is complete. Final clearance granted.
Gate opening sequence initiated.
Confirmed. Vehicle clear to proceed.
Check the alignment on Sector 4.
Looks stable. Proceed to outbound.
Check the timing on lane 3.
Looks good. Synchronization confirmed. Ready for release.
Carrier approaching final position. Clearance is good. Stand by for handoff.
Scan complete on the forward assembly. We have positive lock.
Rear lock points confirmed and secured. Alignment is green.
Automated inspection complete. All parameters within tolerance.
Confirmed. Finalizing documentation now.
Final departure authorization confirmed. We are green for dispatch.
Acknowledged. Safety check complete.
Carriers M42 passing the boundary now. All parameters nominal, confirming green light to the main lane.
Scan sequence initiated on the graphite carrier.
Reading green across all metrics. Clear for outbound.
'22 Alpha is clear of the gate.
Confirmed. Sequence complete.
Alignment on Carrier 7 looks stable.
Speed is holding steady at 0.5 meters per second.
Noted. Continue transfer to Bay 4.
Unit 4 routing confirmed. Synchronization successful.
Acknowledged. Diverting to Bay 3. Notifying Sector 4 that the graphite SUV is inbound. Acknowledged. Pathway clear. Clearance granted. Position updated. Vehicle proceeding on schedule.
Carrier 7 maintains green status. ETA updated.
Confirmed. Route clear through Sector 4.
Observation confirms carrier progression. The metallic graphite hauler is clear of the complex.
All restraints verified green on the secondary scan.
Confirmed. Clearance approved. Readouts confirmed on Module 7.
Restraints are secure. Finalizing scan.
Vehicle 42 clear of the